At Hilltop High, the buzz was real. The school play Lost in Space was just a week away. But behind the scenes, everything was falling apart.
Where's the prop list? Who ordered the costumes? Don't look at me. I thought someone else was handling it.
With no one taking charge, the whole production was hanging by a thread. This whole thing is a mess. No props, no music, no cues. We're totally in over our heads.
Then maybe it's time someone stepped up.
You mean you?
Why not? I'm the assistant director. I can't just pass the buck.
Okay, but if this backfires, we're going down in flames.
All right, team. No more finger pointing. We've got 6 days. I need everyone to pull their weight. But we're so behind. The music file's gone too. We'll figure it out. Let's get the ball rolling. Costumes, lighting, props. Arjun, you're on sound.
We finally got the space sounds. Took me hours, but hey, no pain, no gain, right?
Exactly. And guess what? I even found the old script with all the prop notes. We're back in business. Okay, spaceship lights in 3, 2... Oh no! The control box just sparked.
Don't panic. I'll run backstage and think on my feet. With teamwork and a little quick thinking, they patched up the problem just in time. The performance was a hit. Every cue landed, every line delivered, every audience member on the edge of their seat.
Just doing what needed to be done.
You saved the day. Without you, we'd be toast.
You know what? Responsibility isn't just about fixing things. It's about owning your role, no matter how big or small.
Couldn't have said it better. You really led by example. When things were falling apart, Priya didn't run from the chaos. She ran toward it. She showed us that responsibility means stepping up when no one else will, and turning messes into moments. Moral: being responsible doesn't mean doing everything. It means doing your part, owning your actions, and inspiring others to do the same. Idioms learned in this story. Hanging by a thread, meaning in a risky or unstable situation. In over your head, meaning involved in something too difficult. Pass the buck, meaning shift responsibility to someone else. Down in flames, meaning fail completely and dramatically. Pull your weight, meaning do your fair share of work. Get the ball rolling, meaning start something. No pain, no gain, meaning success requires effort. Back in business, meaning functioning again after a setback. Think on your feet, meaning react quickly under pressure. Take the bull by the horns, meaning deal with a problem boldly. Toast, meaning in serious trouble. Lead by example, meaning guide others through your own behavior.